Today, we have a truly unusual showdown. A hybrid hypercar packed with advanced technology, going up against a purebred MotoGP race bike. Porsche 918 Spyder versus Red Bull KTM RC16. Let's hit the track. Porsche cranks out a jaw-dropping 887 horsepower, all-wheel drive, and weighs over 1,600 kilos. Isn't that wild? It's like driving a beast on wheels. A MotoGP bike that's got way less power but tips the scales at under 200 kilograms, rider included. Honestly, on paper, this shouldn't even be a contest.
Great start! Come on! Come on! Oh my God!
The MotoGP bike blasts ahead, lifting its front wheel like a total pro. Meanwhile, the Porsche zooms off smoothly, but it just can't match that speed. MotoGP takes the win. No contest at all. How cool is that?
Come on! Come on! He's done it all! Oh my God! And he's pulling the whole way.
Another try, and this time Porsche's got a cleaner launch. The gap is smaller, but still not quite there. Once again, the MotoGP bike zooms ahead from a standstill.
Well, the KTM won, completing the standing quarter mile in 9.5 seconds, despite the fact that Danny was spinning his wheel all the way up the track. The Porsche, meanwhile, finished in 10.1 seconds.
Us, whatever. Okay, so we'll do 40 then. 3, 2, 1, go! Come on, here comes our one, he's coming now! Come on, come on!
The Porsche's electric motors jumps ahead at first, but as speeds rise, the MotoGP come alive, delivering relentless torque before the finish line. The Porsche pulls past and takes the win.
Go. Okay, let's go. Here comes the line. Brake! Oh! Oh! That was so close!
After all that speed, it's time to stop. Full emergency braking from 100 miles per hour. The MotoGP bike slows down incredibly fast, but traction is always on the limit. The Porsche stays planted for massive tires doing all the work, and in the end, the Porsche stops in a shorter distance. Here's the big question for you. If you could pick just one race and one machine to go with it, which one would you choose? I'm super curious to hear your thoughts. Drop your picks in the comments, and don't forget to follow 4 more wild matchups like this.